Hey yo, what's going on, traders? Excited you guys are here this morning. Elijah and Coin already killing it. Yeah, FAT is nuts this morning, guys. Absolutely going nutso. Elijah with FAT this morning. Nice. Where'd you get that at? Let me guess here. You get that in like this pullback right here? 870s. And then Coin, you got X spot. Yeah, that was sick. XBSPA. Really didn't. That one came out 830. Pop on the scanners for you. I was kind of putting the watch list together. That was sick though. Yep. Up through 420, 430, magic number. Ain't bad. Yesterday. Nice Elijah. Yeah, that was sick. That was sick. FAT, look at this, guys. Gap up watch list, 1 million in float. Over 7 million shares in the volume right now. Yeah, that's the FAT you got it at 1087. This pullback right in here, maybe. 1196. Oh, sick, dude. 1087. Yeah, that's sick, man. That's sick. Nice work, man. Yeah, FAT, I kind of have this support line drawn here. It's pretty much off of, see this support kind of based out in like the 925s, 930s. This one did come out with some news. FAT, our leading gapper. They acquired Johnny Rockets restaurant chain for $25 million. $25 million. So I looked at the past chart history here on FAT. Didn't go this far back. Yeah, but this is what we're seeing. Extend to the left there. Yeah, we got really rock solid like 890-ish support. If it gets a lot of panic down to like this 890s area, wouldn't be bad. It's already blown past like the 950s, so I see what you're saying there, Coin. 950s could hold on up too. That's like this candle right up in here. Yeah, could definitely see that. A little bit of a squeeze on the chart. So after we do fundamental, trader, and technical analysis. It has the traders here. This is where all the volume is, FAT. It's got the technicals. I mean, this was a squeeze and got above that 200-day moving average, gapping up very strong. I'm interested to see what the short interest is on this. Let's pull that up real quick. It can really help overextend it if there was quite a bit of short interest on it. So I'm just going to pull that up on Yahoo Finance real quick. Yeah, float 1 million. Holy crap. Percent held by insiders, 88%. What the heck? I don't know that I've ever seen a number that high before. The insiders are holding 88% of this company. Oh my goodness. Alright, short ratio is like, only like 0.71%. So nothing there. That's crazy. 88% is held by insiders. Good grief. All right, so FAT, yeah, this is what I'm looking at as well. If we're going to be trading this, which at the open, we know how the leading gappers have been doing, but I kind of agree with you guys in that FAT, this is 1 million float. It's already up to 7.6 million shares traded now. At the moment, this is kind of the idea here is dip on rips. Dip and rip, dip and rip. That's kind of the idea here on FAT. When the float gets rotated over 7 times like that, that's usually the idea. That is usually the idea on these. So we'll be watching these areas with Ucoin down to like the 950 and then 890. I like both of those areas of support. We'll see what it does. This thing moves very quick. It's a little bit more difficult to manage risk because of that. So just size accordingly. If you see a 1 million float stock and you see that this thing can move like literally a point at a time. Got to size appropriately. All right, so yesterday, guys, what did we trade? And I'm a little frustrated about this, but HALL, I traded this one yesterday. You guys know I was doing the live stream past market open, and we traded HAL. This is normally what happens. This thing faded all the way down to 360s, and I really should have kept to what I said in that the risk was above 444. Didn't do that. I just took all my position and ended up paying for it. So the initial risk was over 444. This thing went all the way down to 360. So a little irritated with that one, but it is what it is. We're going to kind of review that and then go forward with today. The short I'm kind of looking at today, somewhat of a similar setup to HALL. It's going to be PACB. Here's PACB's chart from the last few days. This stock up about a point from Tuesday's close up to Monday's close. We saw a lot of good volume activity coming to it yesterday. And we see that 575 is a tough area for PACB to break. It had an upper shadow at the market open yesterday. Tried to retest that midday yesterday. Could not break it. So PACB will be watching that area kind of as my risk guide today on this stock. And it's straight off the bearskin watch list. These are overbought stocks. So that is what I will be watching this morning. I just saw your chart, coin, that you posted on Expa. Sick. Nice. Yeah, so this one we'll be watching on PACB. 575 risk. Here's kind of the past chart history on PACB too. This past chart history is dirty. I like it. I like it. Yeah, we got clear 575, 580 risk on it. Sometimes it tries to get a little above it, 580s, but that's the idea there. And coin, you just brought up just a second ago too, I believe, IGC. And I like what you said there too, as far as IGC short and then kind of long and zombie hours for that thing to start turning back around. I completely think you're right. 100% think you're right. This thing's probably going to get a little bit of profit taken on it, but then it would not surprise me at all if volume stayed here and turned this thing back on around. IGC, they came out with some news this morning. Company reported on Tuesday the FDA approved the initiation of the company's cannabis trial on Alzheimer's patients. So cannabis. IGC is a cannabis company. This one we have seen about a year ago. It made a massive move all the way up to $14. So this is getting traders excited. 700 million shares traded yesterday, as Coin said. This has got a squeeze pattern on it. The technical is breaking above that 200-day. We've seen what it did a year ago. We zoom in here. And look at this, guys. For like a week straight. Oh my gosh. For like a week straight. You see how these candles are gapping above each other? Every single day the stock was gapping up. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Gap up, gap up, gap up, gap up. Good God. Looking at yeah, I like that too, coin. 250 level for a bounce. So I'm with you there. Would not be antsy to FOMO this at the open, but I think that IGC can kind of sustain some volume here. And look at this. I like this as well, coin. You know, the close yesterday, 256. So that 256 is going to be natural support on it, on IGC. So I like that area as well. IGC was that stock that was listed at a storage garage. Then it went parabolic, then pink sheets. Now it's back. Oh my word. Talk about a comeback. It's crazy. IGC's back. It's with a vengeance too. 700 million shares of volume yesterday. And I think we're still going to have a play here. Like what Coin's saying on it. 256 was the close. Going to be watching that area. I do think we're going to see some profit taken at the start. If we don't, it's going to be an avoid for me. I'm not going to chase this through 4 and 5, etc. So I want to see a pullback, see some profit taken down to like the 250s, and then we'll start looking to scale into it a little bit. And this is one that is, you know, longs take longer, shorts take shorter. So With that being said, I'm probably going to set a trail. I need to do this every single day. HALL would have been killer. That would have been so much freaking money. You need to start setting trails. XSPA. XSPA might dip to 375. Bear flagging. Yeah. Let me zoom into you. Did you scale out of this one, coin? Yeah, this one's probably done. Yeah, a nice little bear flag on it. But yeah, so IGC, PACB for the short, FAT. Let's see what FAT is doing right now. Watch this is a little thinner this morning. I mean, I've been flipping through charts for an hour and I'm like snoozing. Not a whole lot that I like. There are some plays, but there's just not a lot of them. Stopped out 1055 on FAT. Nice. I like how you let them work though, Elijah. You let them work for patience. Capital PAY. You let them work really well. Very, very good on that end of things. It's kind of where I struggle. WKH, yeah, let's see WKH. Yeah, WKHS, this one. Kind of going to be opening up right at support. I do like that. Yeah, $15 is support. Really solid support on WKHS. It's opening up right at it. So good eye there. Yeah, we see support right there, right here, right there, right there, right 3 times. Yeah, 15 is easy support. 1439, 200 day. Yeah, I like this one. It's not bad. 1750-ish is risk. It's not bad. Sold off to that support area yesterday and had a nice pop back up. I like that. Good eye there. Yeah, look at the last 5 days, dude. WKHS, look. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, every single day it's sold on down to support and, bounced really nice. There's a big buyer sitting at 1450. Yeah, I like that too, 1450. Because we do have the, where's that 200 day? What was the 200 day at? I just had it. Well. Yeah, I like that too, because what we've been seeing with the chart is pretty much when it sells under 15, it's popping right back up through it. I mean, look at some of these candles. Some of these candles are coming down to about 1450 or lower. So, yeah, that's not bad. It looks like a little heavyish where it is. There's 3 red candles, under that 9 EMA. So I'll just, keep that in mind. It has already made its move, but that is clear support. Yesterday, guys, if you were in the stream, VXRT, we were looking at this one for a nice little sell-off yesterday. It provided another good op. I was looking for the 920s yesterday. Sold on off a little bit more, and then had a nice solid pop on it. If you guys were here and traded that was pretty sick. But yeah, I'm gonna keep that one on watch too, coin. Thanks for bringing that up. Not a bad play. Alright. Time to load up some charts. Yeah. I don't know what happened with the stream yesterday, coin. I don't know why it didn't pop up for you. Yeah, VXRT was alright. Yeah, I got this one I believe 945 average and sold up into the 960s. Then stopped out the rest. But really, coming back down to 9 was pretty kind of what I was looking for. Day stream today. I don't know. I don't mind day streaming for a few minutes. Maybe till like 9:45. Watch list is kind of thin, but it'd be fun to day stream with you guys. Alright, let me load up some charts. PACB against yesterday's high day. That's kind of the idea there. FAT, we're looking at 950 and $9 support. That's kind of the idea there. It's already pulling back really hard at the moment. IGC, I don't have shorts there. It's a little frustrating, but I will be looking for profit taking and panic. That one's going to probably take a little bit of time to start turning back around just because of everyone that's going to be underwater yesterday. It's probably going to unwind a bit and not have that move until zombie hour-ish. Probably going to take, maybe lunchtime or afternoon for that one to turn back around if we get that sell-off. And WKHS, I like that 15 support. So that's kind of the 4 charts I'm watching this morning. All eyes on IGC today. Well, I'm hoping FAT will keep most of the volume so that we can kind of gather a nice little position IGC before, everyone starts turning back there. Locates on FAT. Let me look. Good question. There's no way in HE double L I'd be shorting FAT though. No shares available for allocation. And when they were available, it was 5 cents a share. Whew! Talk about expensive. 5 cents a share. It's crazy. Yeah, what is that? 1,000 shares would be like $50. $100 round trip. Or, no, it's just for locating them. Yeah, I really don't locate that much, just because there's always something to trade, Alright, let's see what's going to happen. It's 9:20. Really, I would prefer just a very simple, easy day on something like PACB. But we'll see what's going to happen. Coin, don't bring up top. That's a sore topic. That is a sore topic. Man, that's killing me. That is killing me. Yeah, when what was support cracked through it, now it's resistance. Yeah, top's kind of sitting in between support and resistance at the moment. Not a lot going on there. Thinking about coming out with a video about kind of doing pre-market, like how to create a watch list, how to flip through charts. Yeah, FAT all the way back down to 950s at the moment. Chase Best, what's going on, man? I think that's a great idea. Yeah, I think it'd be fun. Just record one morning, just kind of flipping through charts and going over kind of what we're looking for, and I think that would be fun. Do that one morning. WKHS massive sellers showing in the 20s. CoinFox has that level 3 market depth. Alright, I'm going to be 100% straight with you guys. HALL irritated me to the point yesterday where on PACB I am not stopping out of any shares unless that thing gets above 578. I'm not stopping out. It don't matter. It don't matter. So funny. Look how similar the charts are. Just what you gotta look for, guys. Tons of volume, intraday push, opens up, light volume, fades. It's the same movie. It's the same movie, guys. You have the heroes, you have the villains, you got the love, the romance. PACB, all sellers gone. Get out. Abandon ship. Yeah, I agree with them. Abandon ship. Makes sense to me. I think they got the right idea there. All right, what do you thinking on FAT? This thing's already back down to 950. For those of you trading it, I'm nearly 75, 80, maybe 100% not trading FAT. I hate trading these low floaters. It's just the thing's 1 million in float and nearly 9 million. It's literally exchanged hands 9 times before the market's even opened. The million shares in the float that are available to the public has exchanged hands 9 times before the market is open. That's crazy. This thing can be so manipulated. And, most chat rooms are all over these, 1 million float stocks. So it's like, okay, let's say I did locate some shares and then short it. And then at, some random moment, Jason Bond Hot Pick sends out a newsletter and 2,000 people buy this thing up and it just shoots up in a second. I'm like, I don't want to be a part of that. Too manipulated. Yeah, so if volume fades very heavily on FAT right at the start of the day, keep your eyes on these scanners, guys. I'll go live here, probably till 9:45, 9:50. Then I gotta go feed my son. But yeah, keep an eye on these scanners because if volume fades on FAT right at the start of the day, something else is going to get that. The number one option trader. Definitely. FAT 880 long is what you're thinking at the moment. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I do like that. If I get in it, I'm going to be getting in it with like very small share size. Be definitely very small on it. Yeah, PCB is a little quiet. Little quiet. 880 to 1152 shares. Honey, I'm rich. Get the car packed. I'm going to eat. Two shares. Nah, I'm thinking if I traded FAT. Ooh, yeah, I probably. Yeah, I wouldn't even be comfortable. I wouldn't be comfortable even going like I wouldn't be comfortable at 100 shares with it, really. SPY gave back all the gains this morning after the jobs report. Dang. Yeah, SPY hit freaking 52-week highs yesterday, didn't it? That was sick. All the way back up to its highs. All right, fellas, we got a minute and a half till the market opens on up. Get your charts loaded, get that risk predefined, and get ready to get them space boots on because we're going 2 shares in FAT. We're going to the moon. Yeah, WKHS, if that one panics down under 15, I like that to scale into it a little bit too. I mean, that's such good support. It's crazy. It's such good support under 15. And that's what it keeps doing. It's consistently going beneath 15. So the market, the market makers are taking out those stop losses right under 15, and then it's popping right back up through it. So just keep that in mind. Most of the time, they do sell through that whole number like that. 2 shares. Now that's managing. Now let's start with 2 shares, and then might size into another 2 shares and another 2 shares. All right, fellas, let's get it. 20 seconds. PACB, I'm thinking about starting that one out of the gates. Thinking about it. Because risk is 575, so that's kind of where I want to scale to anyways. WKHS already. Yeah, I'm gonna start PACB right here. Watching WKHS, IGC's got a ton of volume on it, man. FAT all the way down to 868. Ugh. You guys go for it. I'm gonna keep my 2 shares to myself. You guys go for it. IGC, I really want to see a little bit sell off there. Yeah, starting to see a little bit of sell off. Want that one to really experience some panic. That one's got nearly 3 million shares trade just in this first minute. IGC. That one's getting crazy. Yeah, IGC selling off pretty good right now, guys. IGC selling off pretty good. Coming down to $3. Man, WKHS is already getting a little pop on it. Yeah, IGC selling on off. I'm gonna start it right here. IGC, yeah, I'm starting that. I got an entry 288. 288 entry IGC. I like that one down towards 250 though. So size accordingly if you guys are trading it. Longs take longer, so I will be FAT halted. Dang. Oh, that one's getting a pop. That was money. Coin, that was freaking money at 880. Did you get that? I was way too scared to trade that. I'll just be completely honest. Yeah, IGC looking good. Man, I'm gonna have to take some off. Alright, I'm gonna lock in like a quarter IGC. Yeah, I really want IGC a little lower, but because I only really got an initial entry on it. God dang it, coin. That was so sick, man. You literally called that 8-8 entry. Yeah, IGC. I'm locking another quarter. IGC's money at the moment. Alright, let's see. IGC coming back down a little bit. May look to size into this. I still like the 250s on it. That's kind of how I plan on sizing it. So let me see what it's going to do here. If it starts looking a little weak, I may get out and then look for another entry on it. Yeah, I'm going to get out, look for another entry. Frank, WKHS. Alright, WKHS, 1520s. Brad, what is going on, man? Good to see you in here. We're just making some money. That's what we do, Brad. Alright, what's popping on off? VREX is a lot of panic there. A lot of panic on VREX at the moment. A little thin, though. A little thin. Coin, I'm literally sick to my stomach that you missed that entry. Those are the worst. I just have to laugh at them. Those are the worst. And trust me, I did it yesterday. You weren't here yesterday. I did that on AMTX. I was like, okay, I'm getting in right here. Literally gave me the entry. I didn't take it. IGC just kind of consolidating in the mid 290s. PACB just slow at the moment. Kind of the idea there is just risking through 575 still. WKHS. Still watching this one down towards 15. Would really like to see WKHS around 1490s. IGC back up to like 310. Some of you guys got IGC Congrats. Nice work. That's good. IGC just got so much volume on it. That one's going to be up and down quite a bit. Going to be really volatile at the moment. Be really volatile. GLUU kind of getting a little pump on it. Coin, you buying the dip if buyers remain when FAT opens back up. Roger that. Dang. Yeah, just opened. Just opened. 960s, 950s, 930s, 920s. Good God. All right, PCB getting a little volume on it right now. I'm going to look to throw another ad on it. Are we halted again, FAT? Okay, grief. Man, I really wish I would have got WKHS at least a little entry at 1510. Did you get in it, Coin, or are you good? IGC still consolidating around the $3 area. Hasn't made up its mind. Ah, frick. Dang, Elijah. Sorry about that. Hope you didn't give back all of what you made on it at least. IGC in the 320s. Killer. Killer. Wanted a little bit more of a pull on it. Very small loss. Okay, nice. Yeah. You. IGC, what are you doing? God dang, guys, my trade looks stupid on this. Things in the 330s. Yeah, that's good risk management, man. Good job. It's all good. Losses happen. PCB, I got like a 548 average on it right now, so that's right at my average. That one's just slow. Just a little slow. But I'm not stopping that until 575. Yeah, IGC is sick, man. Gosh. Yeah, my trade looks stupid on that. I just take them way too quick. I wish I could get that superpower from you, Elijah. You got really good patience. Yeah, IGC, we were on the money there, though. FAT, we were on that dip, too. Let's see what else is popping. HTBX. Not a lot. Yeah, I just pulled up NTN too, Elijah. In on the VWAP bounce. 351. Oh yeah, that's sick, dude. Nice trade. Yep. Wouldn't be expecting the world here, because look what it did already in pre-market. There's gonna be some longs trying to get rid of their positions on this, but yeah, that was a nice little VWAP bounce. Good trade there. 350s. Heck yeah. NTN. All right, WKHS 1518. It's getting a little heavy. WKHS is a little heavy under this VWAP. It's kind of what we want to see. See this VWAP here, 1525. It's holding up very heavy under that. I just want to see it start panicking. Let's start to see that panicking under 15. Then we can look to scoop it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, guys. IGC. What did I do? Kevin. I thought I made such a good trade until now. God. Any of you guys kill IGC? That was money. Yeah. Nice, Elijah. Good trade. Good trade there. WKHS 1509. Watching this one. Yeah, I agree. That's IGC. If I had shorts, I'd probably be flipping on this. But guys, you're gonna laugh when I post this trade. It looks so dumb. Yeah, IGC and E-Man popping up right now. That's pretty much it. What's FAT doing? Is that halted again? Yeah, good out there on NTN. All right, WKHS coming down. Come on, Bob Barker, come on down. This is what waiting for your perfect entry looks like. Not... Guys, IGC is making me look so stupid. Please tell me somebody else got that. I literally bottom ticked the stock and took it all so early. IGC's in the 430s. ADVM. Alright, we're seeing a little bit of panic on ADVM. Let me pull up the chart there. Yeah, ADVM is not bad. All right, this is kind of what I'm looking at right now. ADVM popped up on the negative intensity scans. This one's getting a lot of selling pressure. I like 1175 around this area. Looking at its past chart history, look where it's coming down to, guys. Coming right down to pretty solid support, 1175 across the board. So I'll zoom into that for you guys real quick, but that's what I'm watching right now. Would like it to sell off under 12 pretty fast, and then looking to kind of start that one up. Yeah, here's ADVM, past our history. 1175 is pretty good on it. Like that one to panic down under 12 bucks. Yeah, it's already got a nice little pop on it. SSR is turned on that stock. Should be mindful of that. Come on, baby. Come on down. Pretty much watching that in WKHS. I'm not, IGC, I'm just kind of watching. I already missed my... I'm not revenging that. Not revenging that. It is what it is there. FAT still halted. How long has this halt been, guys? How long has that halt been? Yeah, I really, really want like under 12 on ADVM. It looks like we're about to get it too. WKHS selling off a little bit too. FAT back open. FAT's back open. You guys are going to laugh so hard when I post this IGC picture. I'm not laughing though. Alright, WKHS down near 15s. ADVM down near 12. So I kind of got both of these at the moment. I'm watching very carefully. Come on, come on, come on. It won't set. This is not getting it yet. Come on. ADVM really wants it. We got the ask at 12:02. Trying very hard not to FOMO it. This one a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Man, 12 is absorbing orders, man. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, I'm starting at 1184. Thank you, Jesus, finally. All right. We'll see what happens. Might get a little bit more panic. Start at about a quarter the size I want to on it. SSR is on, so this is all purely panic on it right now. Purely panic on ADVM. So I'm fine being patient here with the second entry. Fine being patient here with the second entry. Because we have good support. We got good support. This is just purely panic. I really want another couple entries on it, so I hope it doesn't really pop at the moment. FAT all the way back down 810s. WKHS just consolidating over 15. IGC was the play, man. Yeah, let's get some panic to the 1160s. We'll look for another, look to scale on a little bit more on ADVM. PACB is fine. Really slow though. Really slow at the moment. Should work out though. Dang it, ADVM. God, one of the 1160s. God, what is it with me and these single entries today? It's frustrating. Elijah back in FAT, 815, risking 769. Nice. Yeah, an ADVM and the money at the moment. God dang it, I gotta scale out. Alright, let's look for. I'm gonna look for. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quarter off. Take a quarter off ADVM. Because I still would like a. There it goes, coming back down a little bit. Still would like this one down a little bit lower. Gonna lock in just a little bit though. Did FAT just get halted again? No, it's just kind of stuck at like 810. Yeah, this is getting a pretty ADVM here, getting a pretty solid bounce off of this support, at least right here at the moment. Yeah, here's their support line. It's getting a nice solid bounce off of it, that 1175 area. PACB coming on down. That's fine. That one's a little slower. ADVM. Probably just going to have to take all of this. Or no, I'm not taking all of it. I'm not doing what I did on IGC. Forget that. You guys got to keep me in check. I'm going to lock in another quarter. ADVM. Another quarter. Yeah, IGC is. That's painful. That is painful. Essentially at the moment, with ADVM, I got 1184 average. Back down to 1184. I'm just going to take it all. That's essentially what I'm thinking at the moment. ADVM back at 1184. We'll take all that. That's my break-even point. PACB back down to my entry. Just a little slow there. Wouldn't surprise me if that one did go green to red on the day, under like 542. FAT moved your stop to 794. FAT is going to move in a very crazy fashion at the moment. This one's got so many longs, so many shorts on it, and it's halted a couple times. It's going to be all over the place. Probably no surprise, but half off 850. Heck yeah. Stop at break even. Yep. Yeah, I like that. We kind of do the same thing as far as that goes. Like ADVM, I stop there as my break even point. hate going from green to red on a trade. Just don't do that. I just don't do that. So I'm gonna let that one play around though. ADVM. Let that one play around with 1184 risk. But other than that, I think those three are going to be my trades for the day. Gonna be wrapping it up shortly here. Trading short coin on NTN. Yeah, heck yeah. You guys have killed both the sides of that. Elijah on the long side, coin on the short there. All out FAT on that pullback. Yep. ADVM still let that play around for a little bit for me. PACB just hovering like right at a little above my average price. That one's looking fine though at the moment. But I am thinking of adjusting risk on PACB just slightly to above high of day, 560s. I really don't want it to get back above the 560s. That's kind of the idea there. I don't want to take a. I really don't want it back above 560s. It's looking fine though. It's looking fine. ADVM 1209 looking pretty there. Man, guys, we bottom ticked that. 1175, literally ADVM's bottom. What did we call, guys? What did we call? Freaking nailing it. Telling you guys, we were all over the money today. You guys with NTN and FAT. Coin with XSPA. It's been a sick day. It's been a sick day for the Everyday Trading Squad. Yeah, ADVM, thank God. I learned my lesson on IGC. This one's in the 1220s now. Nice. Nathan, what's going on, man? Good seeing you here. Can't trade classes. Are you you're not virtual? Shoot, if I was back in school these days, I would I'd be trading and like having class on one monitor and just muting the teacher. I'm kidding, don't do that. Yeah, I feel you, man. I feel you. EDVM under 12.15, under 12.10, the 9 EMA, I'll be out the rest there. I'll be out the rest there. NIO bullish. Yeah, NIO is good on both sides of it. That's good. That was a good call there. Yeah, we've been all over all the good plays this morning, guys. Been all over them. ADVM 1230s. I'll probably take all. You guys see what I'm saying though? Yeah, here's 1230s. All right, I'm gonna take all ADVM. You guys know what I'm saying though? Pretty much the way Coin traded this morning and Elijah, pretty much the way we've all traded. You know, you apply PACB in the money at the moment too. That one's just a little slow fader. Buy fear, sell euphoria. That's all there is to it. Like XSPA this morning, pre-market coin shorting up this huge pop up to the 430s. You know, find resistance support and then find that euphoria, find that fear. Let traders panic out of these stocks. Let traders panic out of these stocks and then get your positions. And then Elijah with FAT and pre-market, this strong pullback. It's been a good day. You got the PACB $5 put. Back down to $5. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be asking for 5 today, but it's just a little slow. Probably gonna lock in I gotta go here very shortly, so what I'm probably gonna do is lock in a little bit, because I do have that's the one I actually sized into today. ADVM I bottom ticked, and IGC I bottom ticked. So PACB I have a few entries there. So I may look to just come down a little bit and then set my risk over 560. I gotta let it work. I gotta let PACB work for me, because there's no sense in getting out the whole thing right now. Yep, good trade there, coin. 40%. Heck yeah. What's the roundup, fellas? How's everybody doing? Everybody green? Everybody greeny-meeny today? PACB, cha-ching. I'm going to take in a little bit. PACB. Let's see if we can get the 543s. 543s. Now, I'm gonna take in a little bit right there. And then I'm going to set a stop at 561-ish, maybe. I hate setting stops. Heck yeah, fellas. Elijah coin, green. Yeah, PHCB is good. Yep, lower. Now it's time to lower your size, tighten your stops, protect that bag. Protect that bag. Yeah, this was fun doing the stream during market hours. We were all over all the best plays. That was pretty fun. ADVM in the nearly 1240s. Man, anybody else get that? That was a sick play. IGC was money as well. And remember I said if I had the shorts, I'd be flipping short on IGC. And why is that? It's just this fast move. When you see this euphoria and traders saying, oh, this is going to the moon, this is going up, you can literally see it in the candlesticks. CoinStall and XSPA this morning. XSPA. What you'd see is these, look at this candle. Relative to its average candle, look at this move. It's beyond average. And that provides you with that euphoria you take the opposite side of. That's why I like to scale into these, because, for instance, ADVM, which we bottom ticked this morning, you know, I didn't know for sure if that was exactly going to bounce off 1175 or not. So I like to use the flexibility of scaling for my risk. Because, for instance, WKHS, the one we were looking at this morning, we noticed that the last few days, the stock has $15 support, but it oftentimes will crack beneath that a little bit. So I don't want to have like full size right at $15. Doesn't make any sense. What we want to do is scale into it. All right, guys, I'm going to yeah, I gotta go. But for those still working PACB, it's probably going to be fine against VWAP 550. I'm probably about to set a stop there, but protect that bag. as Coin said. Alex, thanks for showing up, man. Good to have you in here. Love the stream. You gotta go. Yep. Like the stream because we can't to watch. Oh yeah, because we can't watch everything. Yeah, but we had everything. That was fun. I mean, we were all of us together. We were watching everything. There wasn't a move we missed this morning. That was good. I did like that a lot as far as that goes. We did not miss a move. Yep, so Elijah, see you tomorrow. Great job, guys. We'll do it again. We'll do it again tomorrow. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.